Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how to access feedback from an assignment. You can see that I'm on the home page of my Canvas course, and I notice that I have a 1 next to my Grades tab. That means I have one assignment that's been graded. Let's click on that Grades tab so we can see what we earned. I'm going to scroll down and I notice that I have a blue dot next to that new assignment that's been graded. It looks like I got a score of 0 out of 100. Let's figure out what happened. I'm going to click on that assignment. And there's lots of different ways that your instructor might be giving you feedback. You might have a rubric for this assignment, so you can click to see what the rubric says and what score you got. There might be some other feedback on your assignment, so I can click on View Feedback here in the top right. This is going to show me maybe some handwritten comments from my instructor. I also may have some written or typed comments off to the side. I can see that I have some typed comments here. My instructor might also have imported some media comments, maybe a video or a voice recording of the comments they gave me. So I need to make sure that I check all the different places for comments and feedback from my instructor so I know why I got the score I got. Hope that helps.